Short Story 90. The Lost Map and the Curious Cat. Scene: a cosy cottage nestled amidst rolling hills and vibrant green fields. Inside, Maya, a young girl with bright eyes and a mop of brown hair, sat by the window, rain drumming a gentle rhythm on the glass. "Gran, it's too rainy to play outside," Maya sighed, turning to her grandmother, who sat knitting by the fire. Gran smiled kindly. "Then it's a perfect day for stories, wouldn't you say?" she said, her voice warm like melted honey. Maya's eyes lit up. "Oh, yes, please. Tell me about the time you got lost in the Whispering Woods." Gran chuckled. "Ah, that was quite an adventure. It all started with a curious map." Flashback. Gran, a young woman with braids and a mischievous glint in her eyes, stood in the attic of the same cottage. Sunlight streamed through the dusty windows, illuminating an old trunk overflowing with treasures. Gran rummaged through the trunk, pulling out faded photographs, chipped teacups, and leather-bound book. Inside the book, a yellowed map lay hidden, its edges worn and its lines faded. Present. The map belonged to my grandfather, an explorer, Gran explained. It showed a secret path in the Whispering Woods, leading to a hidden waterfall. Maya's imagination soared. "A secret waterfall? Did you find it, Gran?" Gran winked. "Let's just say the path wasn't easy to follow, and I may have had a little help from a very curious cat." Flashback. Gran followed the map's cryptic markings, sunlight filtering through the dense canopy of leaves. Thorns snagged at her clothes and fallen logs blocked her way. Suddenly, a flash of orange caught her eye. A ginger cat with emerald eyes watched her from behind a tree. Intrigued, Gran offered a piece of her apple. The cat cautiously approached, purring as she ate. Then, to Gran's surprise, the cat darted ahead, weaving through the undergrowth. Present. The cat led me through hidden paths and over gurgling streams, Gran said, her voice filled with wonder. It was like it knew the map by heart. Flashback. Following the cat, Gran emerged into a clearing bathed in sunlight. A magnificent waterfall cascaded down moss-covered rocks, mist swirling in the air. The cat sat beside the pool, its fur gleaming like molten gold. Gran filled her canteen with the crystal-clear water and thanked the cat for its guidance. Then, with a final purr, the cat disappeared back into the woods. Present. "So you found the waterfall," Maya exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. Gran smiled. "I did, and it was even more beautiful than I imagined. But the true treasure of that day wasn't the waterfall, but the adventure itself and the unexpected friendship I found along the way." Maya pondered Gran's words. "Do you think the cat is still there?" she asked, a spark of curiosity in her eyes. Gran looked out at the window, at the rain-washed hills. "Perhaps," she said softly. "The Whispering Woods hold many secrets, waiting to be discovered by those with a curious heart." The rain began to ease, and a sliver of sunlight peeked through the clouds. Maya's face brightened. "Maybe tomorrow we can explore the woods together," she suggested. "Who knows, we might even find our own curious adventure." Gran laughed. "I wouldn't miss it for the world," she said, pulling Maya close. As the sun peeked over the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Maya knew that even the rainiest day could hold the promise of wonder, waiting to be discovered, just like the secrets of the Whispering Woods. Vocabulary notes. Characters. Maya, a young girl with a vivid imagination and a love for stories. Gran, Maya's kind and adventurous grandmother, full of wisdom and memories. Curious cat, a friendly ginger cat that guides Gran through the Whispering Woods. Setting. Cosy cottage, a warm and inviting home nestled in the countryside. Whispering woods, a mysterious and enchanting forest full of hidden paths and secrets. Sunlight stream, a bright beam of light filtering through leaves or windows. Dust-covered attic, a room above the main house often filled with old and forgotten things. Treasure trove, a collection of valuable or interesting objects. Yellowed map, an old and worn map perhaps made with paper that has turned slightly brown. Cryptic markings, symbols or drawings on the map that are difficult to understand. Dense canopy, a thick layer of leaves and branches overhead, blocking out much of the sunlight. Gurgling streams, small rivers or creeks that make a soft, bubbly sound as they flow. Clearing, an open space in the forest with few or no trees. Moss-covered rocks, rocks covered in a soft green plant that grows in damp places. Crystal clear water, water that is very clean and transparent. Verbs, drumming, making a steady rhythmic sound. Rummaged, searched through something thoroughly. Snagged, caught and pulled on something in a rough way. Darted, moved quickly and suddenly. Weaved, moved back and forth through something. Cascaded, flowed down in a large continuous stream. Shimmered, shone with a soft flickering light. Pondered, thought about something carefully. Peaked, appeared briefly or partially. Adjectives. Cosy, warm, comfortable and inviting. Vibrant, bright and full of colour. Mischievous, playful and teasing. Faded, losing colour or brightness. Intrigued, curious and interested. Glistening, shining brightly. Magnificent, very impressive and beautiful. Unexpected, not planned or expected. Sparkling, shining with small bright lights. Other nouns. Sunlight, the light of the sun. Attic, a room above the main living area of a house. Trunk, a large, strong box often made of wood or leather. Photographs, pictures taken with the camera. Teacups, small cups used for drinking tea. Leather-bound book, a book with a cover made of leather. Waterfall, a place where water falls from a high place. Mist, a thin cloud of tiny water droplets in the air. Purr, a soft rumbling sound made by a cat when it is content. Canteen, a container for carrying water, often made of metal or plastic. Friendship, a close relationship between two people who care about each other. Wonder, a feeling of amazement and delight. Secrets, things that are kept hidden from others. Figurative language. Whispering woods. This name gives the forest a sense of mystery and magic. Sun peaked over the horizon. This personifies the sun, making it seem like a living thing. Promise of wonder. This metaphor suggests that the future holds exciting possibilities. Story written by Google Bard AI. Image created by Copilot AI. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you click on the like icon and take the time to leave a comment. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.